Airports are complex entities and represent a real challenge in the field of facility management because of their diverse nature and broad scope. An airport acts as a processing facility daily, with multiple buildings for the arrival and departure of aircraft, passengers, baggage, and freight. Maintenance managers and technicians are constantly struggling to keep vital assets operational and spare parts stored at optimal service level. It is vital to get passengers to and from the airport as expected without liability claims while complying with regulatory requirements. With a proactive maintenance strategy, airport facility managers can reduce labor and energy costs, manage inventory, optimize asset performance, and comply with regulatory agencies. A computerized maintenance management system can be the right solution for a large airport and feasible for a small airport as well. Contact us today if you're looking for a complete, full-featured, integrated CMMS solution.